Hello everyone, thank you for watching. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe and comment down below. The palette I'll be using is from BH Cosmetics and it's the Take Me Back to Brazil. For the transition, I am using a light shade. I'm going in with a different pink shade. To darken the eyeshadow, I'll be using a darker pink shade. I will be applying a light purple shade on the crease. To darken the crease, I'll be using a darker purple. Back with this light purple, I'll be using it in the outer corner. Concealer, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. To set the concealer, I'll be using this white shade. Going back with that light shade on the outer corner. To darken the outer corner, I'll be using this purple. To clean up any fallout, I'll be using the Neutrogena Makeup Wipe Remover. For liner, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Megaliner in the shade Noir. Now I'm gonna be blending out the liner in the outer corner. To darken the outer corner, I'll be using this black shade. For glitter, I'll be using the J-Cat Beauty in the shade Champagne Kiss. For applying the glitter, I'll be using the Kiss Lash Glue. Mascara, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. For lashes, I'll be using the Paddington lashes. Get the foundation off camera, and blush I'll be using is from Note Cosmetics and it's the Desert Rose. For powder, I'll be using the Airspun in the shade Naturally Natural. Highlight, I'll be using the Pure Sculpture, and I'm using the Originator and Trailblazer. The lips, I'll be using the Girl Lactic in the shade Posh. Second lip product I'll be using is from Maybelline, and it's the Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Poet. Lower lash line, I'll be applying this light purple shade. I'm going to be applying the Wonder Beauty Unmasked Mascara on the bottom lashes. For setting spray, I'll be using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and maybe comment down below of what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.